We've made a couple of enhancements to the results panel in Stella 3.7.2, and I wanted to briefly demonstrate those. So here's a results panel opened up on delivery to manufacturer. And I have three different runs here, and I'm kind of looking at that as I normally would. We added an accumulate option, and what that does, it allows us to look at the cumulative value of the three variables over time, which obviously smooths out some of the noise, and it lets us determine which of the three kind of is the biggest at the end of the run. And we've also added the ability to lock the span. So suppose that I zoom in for 12 months here, from 1 to 12. Click on Lock Span. This is the first year. I can then move this and get that up to 13 for the second year, and then move it up to 25 for the third year. So then you can kind of look at years at a time or any part of a year thereof. A couple other features that are worth mentioning that have been around for a while. We actually reset the time scale. If you uncheck comparative and you're working with a model that has arrays, it adds in an all for array type. It lets you do a comparison of all of the different elements in the array. And again, the accumulate option is there. And you can see that cars and boats were similar. Planes, we didn't deliver nearly as many. And just as a reminder, with a normal setup, you can also add in multiple variables to look at all the different variables together to see where the different, in this case, components of this. This is not a very interesting model, clearly, but it does demonstrate some of the uses that you can make of the results panel.